And yesterday for us, a beautiful afternoon. We had some heavy cloud cover early in the morning, but we definitely broke that up and saw a little sunshine by the evening hours, hitting a high temperature. Or we told you it would be 83 degrees, about 80 for Bloomington, about 82 for Muncie. So yesterday in the 80s, today we will barely make it to 70 degrees. I'm expecting temperatures in the upper 60s, much cooler air in place, but mostly sunny and dry and chilly tonight as temperatures will fall to the 40s. So expect a big cool down. But there's a big difference from this morning compared to yesterday morning. Let's start with those differences. Humidity, 72%, a dew point of 51. Yesterday we had a dew point of 68. So it was muggy out there this morning. Anything but a nice breeze moving through. Chilly, definitely in need of a jacket as we will cool before we begin warming. On the map here, you see temperatures in the 50s all around us at 56 for Peru, Indianapolis. We're at 60, around 60, 56 for Muncie, around 57 for Bloomington. So a cooler start. How much cooler? Let's look at the numbers. This is our 24-hour temperature change map. We're comparing this morning compared to yesterday morning. We are 14 degrees cooler in Indianapolis, but look at Terre Haute. 18 degrees cooler in Terre Haute compared to yesterday morning at this time. 19 degrees cooler for Bloomington. We'll continue to check in with this map throughout the morning and even to the afternoon, and I think we'll continue to see a big temperature dip, a change. 54 degrees will be your morning start at 8 a.m. I think we'll warm to the 60s by the noon hour, but not warming much past that, as temperatures will warm to the upper 60s at around 3 p.m. and then begin to fall off from there. Tonight, temperatures will fall rather swiftly as we are behind the cold front, experiencing very cool air. So this morning in the 50s, but by tomorrow morning, temperatures dip to the 40s. It will be a very chilly night tonight and a chilly start to your Saturday. But we'll work in sunshine Saturday, warming up to the 60s by afternoon, and then I think we'll hit a high of around 70 degrees. All right, so high pressure will remain in control for us, so we're clear and dry, yes, but we're also behind a cold front, so we're cool. Not seeing much activity on radar. Quiet to the east, quiet to the west. Not much happening here for us on radar, just a few clouds throughout the day today, and you can get in on a few clouds this morning as well, but overall, that sunshine will win out. Mostly sunny skies is what we're going to call it for you. High temperatures for today at 69 degrees for Indianapolis. Tonight cooling down to the chilly 40s. 39 for Peru. 7-day planning forecast. You'll see these temperatures holding steady, below normal, and a very fall-like feel. A chance of showers on Sunday night, a slight chance. Another chance of showers in the forecast by next Wednesday when we return to the 80s.